It's so funny how you could do this shit. Bring this shit to
Yeah, I
our
know who this
crib.
is. Yeah, this is Cheyenne.
Oh, it's funny. I'm just laughing how you could do this to us.
Yeah, this is fucking ridiculous.
Like, why would you do that? Are you fucking dumb as shit? Are you not grown yet? Like, honestly. That's fucking ridiculous. Like, you have not grown up yet.
Seriously?
Yeah, they just
I
left.
gotta come on.
They just left. Like, what the fuck is your fucking problem, bitch? What? Huh? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, Tally. Oh, wow. Keep it up, mamas. So pretty. Yes, you are. Look at you. Oh, yeah. What you doing, baby? Ooh. You good, mamas?
Hello.